What if your Brave browser could change its background every time you open a new tab using your own custom images? In this video, I'll show you how to do exactly that and also walk you through everything you need to know about customizing Brave browser backgrounds. First, open Brave browser on your computer and create a new tab. Now look at the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Customize button, a small gear icon, and click on it. This will open the Brave customization menu for your new tab page. Here, the first option you'll see is whether you want a background image enabled or not. If you prefer a simple and minimal look, you can turn backgrounds off completely. But if you want a more personalized experience, make sure backgrounds are enabled. Once backgrounds are enabled, you can choose from several different options. Brave gives you built-in automatic background images that you can select instantly. These are quick and easy if you just want a clean, ready-made look. You can also choose solid colors or gradient backgrounds if you prefer something more minimal or modern. And if you want full control, you can upload your own images directly from your computer. This means you can use your favorite wallpaper, personal photos, digital art, aesthetic images, or even AI-generated designs. Now here's the most interesting part. You can actually upload multiple images at once instead of just one. If you turn on Refresh on every new tab, Brave browser will then automatically rotate them. So every time you open a new tab, your background can change. This is what makes the setup feel dynamic and fresh instead of always showing the same image. For the best results, it's recommended to use high-resolution images, especially if you're on a larger screen. If you ever want to change things again, you can simply go back into the same Customize menu and switch backgrounds, colors, or uploaded images at any time. As you can see, setting up Brave browser backgrounds only takes a few clicks, but it can completely change how your browser looks and feels. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.